Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a closer look at the 2022 gold-proof commemorative coin set from the Royal Mint. This year's commemorative set is particularly important as it coincides with Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee and features coins which celebrate this incredible milestone. The coins in this set are the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 50p, the Alexander Graham Bell £2 coin, and the Vera Lynn £2 coin. Celebrating the 70 years of Queen Elizabeth's reign are the Platinum Jubilee 50p and the Platinum Jubilee £5 coin of the coat of arms with the royal mantle. The obverse design for all the coins features Jodie Clark's 5th portrait of Queen Elizabeth. This design is different to the individually sold coins which feature John Bergdahl's design of the Queen on horseback. Set to take place in 2022, the Birmingham Commonwealth Games is shown on the 50p coin, which was designed by Natasha Priest. Osborne Ross's design for the Queen's Jubilee can be seen on the second 50p coin in the set. Two commemorative £2 coins are included in the set, celebrating two icons of British culture. One of the late Vera Lynn, who became an icon of World War II, as her songs boosted the morale of servicemen and servicewomen overseas. The coin comes with an edge inscription reading, "We'll meet again." The other celebrates the work of Alexander Graham Bell, who was the first to patent the telephone. Henry Gray's design shows the numbers as they would appear on a telephone, with the buttons inscribed "Pioneer of the Telephone", and two buttons showing Bell's year of birth and year of death. This coin also has an edge inscription which reads, "Innovation in Science". Finally, the £5 coin features John Bergdahl's design of the royal mantle adorning the royal coat of arms and the Order of the Garter. This is similar to that seen on the William IV half crown. This set contains a little over 3 ounces of 22 karat gold. As far as we are aware, this is the only way to obtain these particular coins with Jodie Clark's portrait, as the individually sold coins contain John Bergdahl's obverse design of the Queen on horseback. Don't forget to check our website for prices and availability. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.